everyone. Today we are going to be showing what my tweens, I have a younger tween and an older tween, are packing for a week in the Smokies. Here is raw process so far of the two tweens bags. At this point it's going to be easier to show you like piece by piece how we're doing this, and I will show you like kind of it packed up in the suitcase at the end. Starting with the youngest tween, these are the two gowns that she picked out. She prefers to sleep in lighter weight gowns. Both of these are Wonder Nation 14/16s. Next we have these shorts from Walmart. These are also Wonder Nation, and again with the younger tween, Wonder Nation is kind of my go-to because it's a little bit cheaper, but it still has a nice quality to it. I've actually really enjoyed getting the Wonder Nation ones because they're a little bit softer. These two came in a 2-pack, and then I think the black and stripe came in a 2-pack. Also, we have switched to each of the girls now have their own packing cubes for their undergarments. Here are her dressier outfits for dinner each night. We're not 100% sure what our dinner plans are, but we kind of just wanted to do something a little bit dressier for dinner while we're gone. So we picked out some dressier outfits. This is a dress that she picked out from Marshall's. I don't know the brand, but she picked this dress out at Marshall's. It's super lightweight. It's an A-line. And again, I know it's black, but it's super lightweight. It's short sleeve. And I will preface, like, if we were flying, I would not, like if we were flying and had weight limit on suitcases, I would not be packing denim. But one of the good things about doing a road trip to get here is we can do denim, because this one is actually super cute with this dress. I think it was supposed to be like a Aristocats theme or princess. I can't remember, but it's actually from the Disney store, and it definitely is a tween fit for the smaller tween, and it's a strapless dress to go with it. Has an A-line, and it has like that, you know, rufflier part right here. We have started doing some sleeved outfits for sit-down dinners in the summer, even though like it's super hot during the day. And then this one's just a little fun dress that she loves. It has flowers on it, even has like this little lacy bow on it. And a plus side is this dress is like super hard to actually wrinkle. So this one was a fun, I was kind of glad she packed this one because it was super fun and easy, and it's got little daisies all over it. Has some lace at the bottom. Here are the casual outfits that she has picked out so far for this trip. This one is actually her one that's an extra. It's a Wonder Nation shirt with, I don't even remember where I got this skirt. All three of them have worn it, and it's just like super durable, washes out really easy, goes with a lot of pinks and reds. So this is her extra one. So what we do is, like, we're going Monday to Friday, they pack an outfit for Monday. If they don't need it, then they just have it for an extra for any time during the rest of the week. And if they decide they do need a change of clothes for the first night that we're there, then they have a change of clothes once they arrive. So we always try to pack an outfit for the day that we're leaving, and this is the one that she picked out. This is the one that she has picked out for what we're calling our fun day. And I think it says Believe in Your Beauty. Yeah, and it's got butterflies on it. She wanted a lot of butterfly ones. And here is why she didn't need as many shorts, is because Walmart has skirts with built-in shorts in them. They're a little bit longer than like cheerleading style, I guess. And they're shorts, not like just underwear pieces in them. And we found several of these, and that's what she wanted to wear for the trip. And I mean, we still have the tags on them. They were only, I can't see the camera, $5.98 each. So we figured, sure, why not? She has this light blue one to go with the butterfly one. It kind of matches a little bit of the blue in the butterfly itself. And the next set one she has, this one starts for our hiking day. We might swap it out and do it for the fun day depending on how the fun day goes. I just love the print on this one where it's the fun palm leaves, and it just kind of screams summer to me, and it's super lightweight. Again, this has the built-in shorts in it. The next one is another one with the skirt with the built-in shorts. This one's black, but it went really well with her pirate mini tie-dye. Then on the last one, again, butterfly themed. This one is like a bigger top. It's actually an adult smaller size, or a junior small, which is still a little too big for her. She's still mostly in kid sizes. The skirts with the built-in shorts you saw in one of our Walmart hauls, it's Wonder Nation. We usually do have them try on outfits together, or at least lay them out and see if they like the pieces together before we pack them for their suitcases. On footwear, we do a little more minimalistic, where we're actually going to be doing like repeat things instead of like with these. I do not repeat bottoms when we're on vacation. I prefer to not have to worry about doing laundry for repeating like skirts for the girls or anything, or shorts or anything like that. So, well, sometimes with the shorts we do. The only thing we're packing for the youngest one is a pair of dressier sandals for dinner and a pair of tennis shoes for hiking. Then on the way up, she's actually going to be wearing her athletic sandals. Last but not least for her personal suitcase is swimwear. Because she has to wear swim shirts, I think they call them rash guards, with sleeves on to keep her shoulders from burning because she's a little more sensitive skin. We have found that she prefers wearing 2 pieces instead of a 1 piece under it. So this one actually is a 2-piece mermaid tail one from Wonder Nation. I think all of this is from Walmart. There's only one thing not Wonder Nation. But this actually has a separate tail with it, with the separate 2-piece swimsuit pieces, and it has the mermaid at heart shirt that she can wear over it. This one, the shirt is a Wonder Nation swim shirt rash guard piece, and she has a 2-piece outfit for this as well. This is technically not a swim skirt, but it was super cute and it was super lightweight, and it went with this, and they didn't have any more like skirt style ones that she liked, and she likes the frilly skirt style ones for her personal choice. So we are going to try this out. It's the Justice brand, size 12, and see if she likes it. They did, however, still have plenty of pull covers one day at Walmart we went. Also, we got the US Divers brand because the ones at Dollar Tree just break so easily, and they don't do well like suctioning around the eyes like they should. So because they would not actually, you know, glue to the face like they should, we decided to not go with the Dollar Tree ones anymore. We picked up some of these instead. And I think these are working better. Question mark. These are working better for you all? Yes. Okay, I'm getting nods off camera that they like these a whole lot better. So that is her personal pair. This is a 14-16. Didn't have to get the plus for her. The only reason we picked out the plus is because that's all they had left in stock. Here is the youngest tween suitcase completely finished as the sun tries to hide while I'm filming. Turn the light on here in a minute. But I was able to get it all in here. Decided to go ahead and just roll her swimwear and put it right here, because I know the first thing she's going to want to do is go swimming. So I figured I'd make the swimwear as easy to get to as possible. I was able to fit her goggles right there. Swim cover right here on top with pajamas next, because I figure also once we get done swimming, they're probably just going to want pajamas and possibly some in-room snacks that we're bringing with us, and all her essentials that she needs are right there. This is why we packed suitcases early. She actually had one thing missing from her list because it was in the laundry. She has a lightweight hoodie with pockets that will need to be washed and added to her suitcase as soon as possible. Again, another reason why I go ahead and pack as early as possible as I can. Well, I mean, I don't like, if we know 5 months in advance, I'm not going to pack 5 months in advance. Why I try to prefer packing 2 weeks in advance is because I just found out she had several things that we needed to buy for her that she had outgrown and just needed new of. So, and there's just some things that don't get hand-me-down, and her and her sister are close to being the same size right now, her older sister. So I'm going to show you what she has, and then when the rest of it arrives, then we will work on adding it to the suitcase as well. She just now brought me these. So first thing going in is she has a pair of the Skechers athletic shoes. These are going to be her shoes for hiking, walking, possibly for a fun day using those. We also have a stack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One pair of capris. She has another pair of capris that she's going to wear to there, and she'll alternate as she needs to. In here are her Makalu sandals. We're going to try to fit those into possibly the pocket on there or in the very bottom and stuff things inside them to keep them from being damaged. They're dressier dress shoes. We usually keep in the box to keep them safe in between use. We also have her packing cube right here. It's 2-sided. This has all of her undergarments inside of it. I'm just going to do these through a stack because I'm also trying to hurry at this point. These are the casual clothes she picked out. This is her tie-dye mini one. Again, it's kind of hard to do a bow, but it kind of looked like a bow the way that she did it with the pink on the edge right here. So we call it tie-dye mini. But this is her tie-dye mini one with the midi skirts that we shared on Amazon Prime Day. These are the ones that we picked up from Amazon. They were at like 18% off on Prime Day. I don't remember how much they are regular price, but that's one of her, I think, hiking day ones. This is also a hiking day one, a pink shirt with, again, another midi skirt. This one is a pink Wonder Nation shirt. It's super comfy. I wish I had picked out more of these when they had them because they don't carry them anymore. But it's super soft and really wrinkle resistant. and she's gonna do that one with a blue jean skirt for the way home. This is her fun day, possible theme park one. It's got like sparkly unicorns on it with different colors. I picked a teal that kind of matches some of the unicorns for her fun day. And then this one is her extra one. It's a sleeveless with a little cami to go with it, and it also has like this tie-dye effect tiered skirt as well. These are her nice ones that she has picked out for dinners. They like wearing cardigans over dresses in the summer because if you're out all day in the heat, then you get cold sitting in an air-conditioned restaurant sometimes. So this is the one she picked out for this one. I love the stripe pattern of different color mixes on this one, and this short sleeve cardigan actually goes really well with it. Then we have the one that looks more like an animal print, but it actually has designs on it. But she really loves this one. Has a really summery feel to it, and it has a 3/4 sleeve cardigan to go with it. This one has a long sleeve, but it's a super lightweight athletic long sleeve, but it looks so good with this little frilly dress. So it's kind of a mix of like a dressy casual. Here is one of the 2 swimsuits. We ordered another one for her. It was supposed to be here today, but sometimes, you know, those packages don't exactly go where they're supposed to. So now it's been delayed for 2 days. Hopefully only 2 days. And hopefully we're going to get it soonish. So for now, here is the first one. This is a tankini that we picked up at Kohl's. I think we did a video on that when we ordered them. But it has like the little pieces right here. It's extremely adjustable. Has built-in pieces in it, and she wears it with this skirt. She also has a pair of shorts she wears with it as well. The swim cover we picked up at Walmart, which she can wear some of the Time and Trues that I guess are meant for some tween sizes, so she can wear some of those. She liked the laces on this, and it had a hood, which was a big bonus for our kids. And then again, we do the US Divers brand goggles. Second to last piece for oldest tween arrived today. It was a Kanu brand swim shirt. Well, I don't know, some people call it a rash guard, some call it a surf shirt. We call it swim shirts. Let me know in the comments below what you call it. Anyways, we call them swim shirts. It matches her swim skirt. Love that the colors matched so well, and it almost looks exactly color for color online as it did when it arrived. And I mean, you know, digital pictures and all that, awful sometimes, but like it was exactly the way we had pictured it. We actually ordered it through Amazon Wardrobe so she could try it on. Definitely going to be updating the oldest tween to a bigger suitcase this time. I'm pretty sure this will work without tearing up our suitcase, but yeah, she's definitely gonna have to have a bigger bag for week trips. And I'm just going to have to buy either another set or just buy them each individual bags that they can use as they get older. And then as they get to where they're being more independent, they can have their own bags to use. Last 2 things I needed. This was actually one she already had. This is one that I ordered on Amazon. This is a pant set, pajama pant set, short sleeve shirt. It's pandas. This one was a Walmart find earlier, late spring, early summer. This one is an Amazon order that we did. Like I said, they like having gown options. This one was short sleeve. I will link this one below for my tweens and teen for like junior size. They really like these from Amazon because they're lightweight, they're comfortable, they have different kinds of prints on them. So this is definitely different from like just what my teen has. So they're able to have different prints on them. But that pretty much finishes up her bag. So that's it for our 2 tweens. I have a younger tween that's still in more of the kid sizes, and then I have an older tween who's more in the junior sizes. And what both of them are packing for this trip. I kind of wanted to do both at the same time though, so that you could get an idea of like different, because I know tweens are very much a transition from like kids to teens over here. So they're both definitely in that transition period of like one's still kid and then one's still definitely moving towards being, or is going towards being a teenager. But that's what they're packing for a 4-night vacation. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.